So it got some more material up there. We'll run with that. Okay, so our next operation, I do have two layers over here that I want to draw your attention to, mask 1 and mask 2. Mask 1 fills in these two holes right here, and mask 2 actually adds an untrimmed version of this surface up here. So we're going to be machining this, and this edge right here is going to be a parting line. So we don't want the tool to roll over this edge, so we got this surface right here. And you can create, what I did to create that surface, I just took the surface I'm going to machine, and in Rhino, I just did surface, surface edge tools, untrim, or let's see. There's the surface. So we just go to surface, surface editing tools, do an untrim all, and it'll extend the edges out in a tangential direction. So in other words, it's the exact same surface, but it's extended out.
Well, no, it depends. I mean, my clarification there, it really depends on how the original surface was built. If it was built, you know, as a trimmed surface, yes, it will do that. But if not, then you will have to, you know, create your own surface in Rhino. Okay. So one more thing, Don, can you turn off the stock display? It's a little bit getting, yeah, go ahead.
Yes, there we go.
Yeah. All right, thank you.